Hey guys, I am Kyle. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make one piece USOPP in Infinite Craft fastest method. So let's get started. So the first one that we need is we're gonna go for water and water to create lake. Once you have lake, you wanna add another water. And then you wanna go for earth to create mountain. Combine these two to create island. Once you have island, add water. And then add lake to create pirate. Once you have pirate, you wanna go for water. And then you want to go for fire and water. You would have steam. And then once you have steam, you want to go for island and island right here to create continent. Once you have that, is that you would want to add, mountain into continent so that you'd have Asia. Once you have Asia, you want to add island into it to create Japan, and then combine it with steam to create anime, and then just combine it with pirate to create one piece. Once you have one piece, the next thing that you should do is lake plus lake right here. And then what you want to do when you have ocean is that you want to go for add island into it so that you'd have Atlantis, and then combine it with one piece to create Luffy. Once you have Luffy, you want to go for earth and wind right here so that you'd have dust. Once you have dust, add another dust to create sand. Once you have sand, you want to add fire into it to create glass, and then go for water and earth to create plant. And then once you have plant, add wind into it to create dandelion. Once you have dandelion, you want to go for fire, and then add it to dandelion so that you have fireworks. Add it to glass so that you'd have glasses, and then you would add it into Luffy, and now you would have USOPP. So that is basically how you do it.